Have you ever imagined how exciting life could be if you could get a blueprint of your future through your own DNA? Hi, I'm Anuradha De, an epigenetic lifestyle coach and the founder of I Infinite, where we believe everyone has infinite potential to redesign their own destiny. You must have heard of hard drive of a computer, right? But did you know that the largest data ever lies within you? And that is called your genome. Your genome is basically the entire set of DNA or the genetic material that you have inherited from your parents and grandparents, and you're going to pass it down to the next generation. Your DNA has all the information about you, right from the color of your hair to the texture of your skin, your metabolism, your body type, what kind of disease you have inherited, what kind of disease you're more prone to, and so on. But wait, it's not just the DNA or the genetic material that you're going to pass it down to the next generation, but there is something more to it, and that is called epigenetics. Epigenetic is a new emerging science which literally means something above or in addition to the genetics, but which has complete control over your gene expression. It is more like a remote to your genes, which can trigger or turn on the expression of certain genes and suppress or turn off the expression of certain other genes. Let me explain this with a simple metaphor. Imagine yourself to be a computer. So you have a set of hardware, just like your DNA, which is loaded with informations. And you also have a set of software loaded with instructions, just like the epigenetics. Now, in order to get the desired outcome, you understand that both the hardware and the software need to work in synchronization, right? Similarly, when your body wants to get the desired result, your genetics and the epigenetics need to communicate in your favor. And how do you understand this communication? And how do you modify it to work in your favor? This can be done through epigenetic lifestyle modification. Epigenetic lifestyle modification is the new lifestyle of the new generation. Using the cutting-edge medical research and technology, we can help you understand your inner wiring and also the factors which are favorable for you and the one which are not, so that you can take an informed decision. Now imagine if you can get an access to all of these information at the right time, how well can you prepare yourself for the future? It can help you understand the best food and nutrition for you that can enhance your productivity, can enhance your energy level throughout the day, that can slow down your aging process, can keep you more fitter than you were yesterday, and so on. And those food which you should definitely avoid, because that can completely mess up with your cognitive ability, that is your ability to think, focus or concentrate, your ability to perform, your energy level, or even your circadian cycle, which is your sleep cycle. Because food for one can be poison for someone else. This is why one diet or one solution for all is an obsolete concept. The same thing applies to exercise, medicine, supplements, and so on. You might have heard people saying, I have been working out for so long, still I'm not getting the desired result or the desired body shape. That can be because every exercise is not meant for you. Your body type is different and you need to understand that. And many a times, exercise which is beneficial for someone can really be dangerous for you. The same thing goes even for medicine, supplements, or any other health products. Many a times you might have seen some supplements, some health products, or some medicines really works wonder for someone else, whereas it just doesn't work for you. More often than not, it can be due to your genetics. And this is why it is so important for you to understand your inner wiring, so that you can design a customized lifestyle specific to your needs that can give you the most effective and fastest results. I hope this information was useful to you. And if you want to get in touch with me, the link of my website is given in the description below. I'll see you soon with more such videos. Till then, stay tuned and take care.